Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to insert a line in Google Docs. So there are a few ways to do this depending on the type of line that you want. But first of all, you need to open up your document, click where you want the line. There we're going to click on Insert. And the first option is to scroll down and click on horizontal line. So that will give you a line like you can see. The second option is to click on Insert and then scroll down to Drawing, New, and from there you can click on Line and you can then use your cursor to draw the line. From there you can edit it, you can change the line color and change the line weight, like make it thicker. When you're happy, click on Save and Close. From the document, you can still edit your line. So like I can click on it and make it shorter or longer, like you see. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.